own RPG.
Guys, let me call.
Oh yeah.
I do.
We're gonna make a
Can you give me a brown bag full of it? Because I'm trying to go move my friend's server.
Nah, bro, I'm finna join one of my friends' calls.
Wait, what's your friend's server? Wait, can I
might
please
join
join it? No, I'm gonna crash it.
I'll come with. Hey,
wait, can I come, please? Please, I wanna.
Alright. Now that we got away from the sounds, I can finally say what I was trying to say. So, guys, welcome to a new video. Today, we're gonna be cooking. And you're probably asking, oh, where's the cooking? Well, guess what, buddy? We're gonna be cooking normally. Ha ha ha.
It's coming.
I'm putting an alarm. I can't go up that high. Oh, I'm in a constant. I can't really hear me. What we're gonna do is go over here and get an egg. Oh. Just get up. Takes a long time. So I don't fall off. I think the egg is like an old update or something.
Supposed to be going there.
Bro.
Wait, just fine.
Oh my god. No, bro.
Office map.
I'm sorry, this takes a long time. Hope no kids.
I'm all the way down in the.
Hope no kids.
Someone's coming to the office map. Wait, are you at the machineless rubber duckies?
Finally.
With like 10, 15. These I have garbage.
Alright.
Is anybody in office map?
I forgot to turn down my volume.
No one's in office map.
Cause that girl was loud. Look, chicken, I'm trying to cook. So I think you're gonna let me.
Where are you in that office?
Oh. No damage. Like no reaction. Then I'll be making a video with it. Got the egg. We got the egg. Alright, roll out. Now we go to a private server so we can cook it. Or if we're lucky. Oh.
Guys, let's go in this cave.
Alright.
Let's go to office.
Just gotta run. Oh,
Do it again.
No more. Yes, I did it. Now we're gonna cook this up.
Who else wants to go to office? Who else wants to go to office?
Just an egg.
I do. Who's go? I'm coming.
Imagine
Who else wants to go to
one of the
office?
persons in the lobby just hear
I'm already going to my
their
office.
character or
Go
stop yapping.
to the texture update if you want to go to office.
But anyways, we're back. And now what we're gonna do
Yeah, I wanna go to office. I wanna go to office. Yeah, I wanna go to
Egg
office.
is gone.
Let's go. Can someone let me
Wait for me, wait.
All I have is an egg. Yep.
I think I'm going the wrong way. I'm in a bed.
Yep. Wait. I didn't
And I
get
cannot
this.
see.
What the sigma? I think this is bro's secret unboxing spot. Bro thinks he's Ryan World.
No one steal my pen, please.
Alright, it's right here. You're holding it too. You hold it here. Hold it a little farther up. Hold it a little
There we
farther
go.
up.
I got it. Let me see my pen.
No.
Alright, I had it.
Alright, you have to
Who's
do
going to
trans, you have to do
office?
trans,
Who is
trans,
going to
trans,
office? Go back to the tech tree update.
trans. You have to do trans.
I don't know what.
Stop it, bro, stop it, stop it, stop it.
Fine.
But I know what you're
Don't
doing.
worry, just go to
Okay,
tech tree
okay.
update.
Now
Before
shoot,
we
shoot
go
the
to
radio,
office.
I have a lot
shoot
of
the radio.
money. I'll just
Alright,
get
now
more.
shoot at this. Shoot.
Who
you
wants
go.
some pumpkins? Who wants
Look
some
at-
pumpkins?
What's more
Anybody want
explosives?
some pumpkins?
Bye-bye.
I tried telling you.
Oh, this is great.
Guys,
It's fun, it's fun, dude, bro.
This is great.
Guys,
Dude, bro,
look,
it's
these are
hella
the
fun.
biggest, and these are the biggest and smallest thing I ever had.
Great things to put.
Y'all ready to go yet? Yeah, we're
Wait,
ready to go. Everybody go to the tech tree update if you want to go to office.
And not,
I'll take you.
Who wants
I
this?
think
Who wants
never
this?
know.
Who wants this?
don't
I have a whole
understand.
like OG backpack.
I think I'm the main character. Oh. No. There is no way. Useless stuff. Now we're done. Fresh sticks. So the first recipe, sticks. This other stick is for stirring. Oh,
Go to the tech
is
tree
gonna
update
be
if you want to
this
go to office.
cooker.
We're going in
it's
about
gonna be over here. This is all the seasoning. See how delicious that. No, not yet. Not yet. Egg.
You turn small.
The egg, alright. Let's cook the
Do
egg.
not open the elevator. Do not open the elevator. Wait. Wait for
Alright.
everybody.
Let's put this on. The oven is on. Cooking up the egg. The egg is ready. Alright. Get out! And now, let's... The egg there. Then it's time to stir. Stir it. Really, really good.